Here comes the money.
Money. Can you hear me in call and in this?
No, just call.
Oh, well, I'm just talking to myself into the speaker.
We're going to smack it. I need you to get that weapon of yours right there.
No, I disconnected. You got it, you got it, you got it, you got it, you got it. I'm back, I'm coming back. Oh. Whew. Dude, my stupid book bag. My Wi-Fi just decided to die. Can I kill it? Can I kill it?
Watch this.
Really? I would have loved that. What's that sound? No, there's something. I hear something. What's over here? There's a lot of loot right here.
Oh yeah. It slows you down.
That's crazy. Bro got anti-gravity on. And?
Yeah. It just made a fart sound. It's a bomb.
Let's go.
We got so much money. That's actually the best bomb. It's just one blue button. You gotta press a button.
Dang.
Oh yeah.